Why is a rocking chair so universally loved? Because the total relaxation and stress relief it creates. The Freestyle rocker from GCI Outdoor is a portable rocking chair for all of your on-the-go adventures. With a patent-pending spring-action rocking technology, the chair rocks smoothly with its uniquely designed rock shocks. The Freestyle rocker provides a smooth and relaxing rocking motion on soft or hard terrains. The Freestyle rocker is constructed of sturdy, powder-coated steel that supports up to 250 pounds. Other features are padded armrests and a convenient beverage holder. The Freestyle rocker folds up quickly and easily with patent-pending Easy Fold technology. Just pull up on the handle on the side of the seat to fold the chair. It has a convenient carry handle that lets you take this chair with you wherever you go. The Freestyle rocker is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating, music festivals.
Heavy-duty case here that you can transport it. Comes with a strap. I'm going to undo here. So you can fold it out. And there it is, unfolded. There we have it all set up. So here we have our chair in brilliant blue. It's made of very high-quality, tough fabric, so you're not going to rip through this. And there's plenty of cushion throughout the whole seat, which I'll demonstrate when I sit down, but you can feel that there's cushion throughout the whole thing, so it's going to be comfortable. It also comes with a cup holder, so that you can put your bottles or whatever you have for drinks right next to you. And then underneath there's a really nice, unique strap system that provides a little bit more durability. It also provides more structure for us, so that you're not going to rip through the fabric. This makes it comfortable, but at the same time, it's going to give you support and make you feel like you're well supported in the chair. All right, so we're going to get that back up there. And then we sit in the chair here, and it's very comfortable. Again, this material is very high quality. It feels nice and comfortable, but at the same time, it's very durable feeling. It's double stitched throughout, which is very nice. It also, again, has our cup holder over here. It's extra wide, so I have plenty of room. This would accommodate a larger person, but it's also very comfortable for smaller people as well. And again, that extra padding throughout the whole seat and chair is just very comfortable. So take this to a campfire and enjoy.
Reclining camp chair by Picnic Time is no ordinary camp chair. It features 3 reclining seating positions, adjustable armrests, an insulated portable beverage holder, a large zippered storage pocket on the backrest, and a matching storage tote with a shoulder strap. It has a folding steel frame that can hold up to 300 pounds, and a comfortably padded seat and backrest covered in durable polyester canvas. The reclining camp chair is great as a spectator chair at sporting events or for outdoor activities such as lounging by the lake or beach, camping and fishing.
Hello, my name is Vlad Luigi, the inventor of STRONGBACK chairs. The reason our chairs are the most comfortable and healthy folding chairs available anywhere is simple: posture support. Let me show you how it works on the STRONGBACK Elite chair. You can see right away it's the classic ergonomic shape. It has a nice high back to support the shoulders and thoracic portion of your vertebrae. It comes down nice and smooth to this critical lumbar area here, where then curves under. This shape here is what provides the lumbar support, and when the chair is open and in use, this curve and the whole back is nice and tight to support your back and to support your spine, which has the same shape. The seat is tilted back to hold you comfortably against this lumbar curve, so you can sit all day comfortably without back pain. Now let's look at a STRONGBACK chair in use versus a normal chair. This is a head-to-head or back-to-back posture support battle. The chair on the left is the STRONGBACK Elite chair. The chair on the right, a normal chair. Now watch my posture as I sit. You can see right away in the STRONGBACK chair on the left, my whole spine is aligned better. My shoulders are back, chest is out, head is comfortably supported by my neck, and my lumbar area is completely supported. I'm relaxed, comfortable, with great seated posture, with no effort. In the other chair, however, on the right, look what's happened. I've slipped forward in the seat, sunk down in the chair, my shoulders have been thrown forward and rounded, My chest is sunken in, my head has been forced forward, and this causes a strain in my neck, and the lower back and lumbar region are completely unsupported and rounded. I'm not comfortable, I'm not relaxed, I'm wondering when I can get out of this chair and go home, otherwise I'm gonna have to go see my back doctor.